Modern pharmacy education goes beyond the theory and focuses on real-world healthcare challenges. At Marathwada Mitra Mandas College of Pharmacy, students are provided with the practical exposure, research opportunities, and the clinical understanding which helps them to build the professional career. I am Dr. Snehal Devidas Dherenge, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmacy Practice at Marathwada Mitra Mandas College of Pharmacy with the experience in both clinical and the academic settings. Over the years, I worked in clinical research, in scientific publications and student mentorship while bridging the gap between the academic learning and the real-time clinical practices. Earlier, pharmacists were mainly involved in dispensing the medications. But today, pharmacy practice is more clinical oriented, focusing on the patient safety, medication management, and evidence-based medications. Through structured clinical training and hospital-based learning, MMCOP helps students to understand the real-world applications of pharmacy practice. B emphasizes experimental learning by providing students with hospital posting, clinical case reviews, case discussion, patient counseling, and healthcare awareness activities at community pharmacy that goes far beyond the classroom teaching and the textbooks. MMCOP provides a dynamic learning environment to the students. The pharmacy practice department focuses on developing the clinically competent professionals by providing opportunities in hospital-based learning, hospital posting, patient case review, prescription analysis and auditing, patient education, and evidence-based pharmacy practice training. Pharmacy is a rapidly evolving healthcare profession. So while choosing the pharmacy college, students should look for quality education, experimental learning, innovation, hospital exposure, industry-oriented training, and opportunities that support both academic and professional growth.